Welcome to the Dwolla Product Spotlight series, where we hope to educate you more about our product and about account-to-account payments.
Same Day ACH is a type of payment method that is sent via the ACH network and is received and settled by the financial institution on that same business day. So in reference to Dwolla's ACH transfers in general, there is a debit portion of a transaction when the payment is pulled, and a credit portion of the transaction when the payment is pushed to the recipient. With Same Day ACH, a business can pull money into the Dwolla network and push money out of the Dwolla network on the same business day that the transaction is initiated. Like all forms of ACH transactions, there are cutoff times and settlement times, also known as export windows and settlement windows. Export can be referred to when Dwolla takes all of the transaction instructions that we receive and process each day and send those over to our financial institution partners. And then settlement is when those transactions ultimately settle with the receiving bank. So with Same Day ACH, we take advantage of multiple settlement and export windows. As long as your transactions are hitting the appropriate export windows, you'll know that they should settle the same business day. If it misses those windows, you'll know that it'll be settled on the next best available timing, depending on what your payment methods are that you have enabled with Dwolla. Same Day ACH, unlike standard ACH, does have a per transaction limit of $1 million. This is a recent increase, up from $100,000, which happened in March of this year. Just like standard ACH, Same Day does come with that inherent return risk. An example of that would be that the transaction is initiated and then settled, and up to 2 days after that settlement, we get a return from the bank saying that these funds couldn't ultimately settle. This type of risk exists with any type of ACH. It doesn't go away with Same Day, and because of that risk, getting access to this feature will require a couple of approvals from Dwolla's team to enable the appropriate settings on your account. When thinking about Same Day ACH, the main value businesses experience is the ability to send and receive payments faster. Some of it does depend a bit on your payment flow needs and your overall use case. For Dwolla clients, this means that Same Day debits are still the fastest way to get funds into the Dwolla network. And while we offer other forms of ACH, Same Day is the fastest to go on the debit portion of a transaction. Additionally, this is the most affordable but fast way to disperse funds. We do offer other payment methods to push funds out of our network that are faster than Same Day ACH. But Same Day ACH is the most cost-effective of the faster payment options. And almost all financial institutions accept Same Day ACH payments, so it really can fit well with whatever your account-to-account needs are that you might have. Some of the common use cases among clients that we've seen are payroll disbursements and paying out commissions. But we've also seen a popular use case for collecting payments faster, helping improve cash flows. It also works really well for facilitation funds flows. So real estate is a good example. Say it's an earnest money deposit, getting money from end to end quickly using a Same Day ACH debit and a Same Day ACH credit to go from the home buyer to the escrow account. Dwolla offers real-time payments and push-to-debit transfers that are options which are faster than Same Day ACH and alternatives for funds that need to be pushed out of the Dwolla network. However, we do have many clients who might use these options to complement an end-to-end transaction with Same Day ACH. Real-time payments run on a separate payment rail from ACH, the RTP network, but it still moves money from account to account. Those transactions with real-time payments settle within seconds, so it is very, very fast. And also, there are no cutoff times, export or settlement windows, and it's available 24/7. The limitation here is that it's only a disbursement option, whereas Same Day ACH can be used to also collect funds quickly. Push to debit is the other option, and similar to RTP, these transfers are pushed or credited out of the Dwolla platform to a bank account, but this time through the debit card payment rails. So the big difference here is that this way requires the receiver to present a debit card for us to push funds to the bank account behind that debit card. It does not have cutoff times or export or settlement windows like RTP. It does have a hard limit of $50,000 per transfer. Both real-time payments and push-to-debit also come at a slightly higher cost than Same Day ACH. But the nice thing is that clients have the flexibility to mix and match with all of the other account-to-account payment methods that are offered, including Same Day ACH.
Dwolla's platform really gives businesses the ability to create a tailored experience for its users. If you have more questions or want to learn more about this functionality, please reach out to your Customer Excellence Manager or visit our website at www.dwolla.com. Thank you.